What's up guys, it's Tony with 4Money. On this episode, we are going to be moving a hot tub. Let's do it. So most of my friends know that I do a lot of reselling. So a couple of buddies of mine commissioned me to sell this hot tub for them. Well, it sold a few days ago and the new buyers are coming by with a moving team to come pick this hot tub up. I have no idea how they're gonna move this thing. It's extremely bulky. We already drained the water out, so it's not that heavy, but I have no clue how they're gonna get it out of the fence, and I'm very curious. They got the power coming out of the hot tub right there. It goes underground, comes right back up here to this breaker. It looks like a professional spa mover, pretty much.
It is. The guy I bought it from, he has a patent on it.
Oh, nice. I'm guessing he moved quite a few spas before he decided to make one.
Yeah, and he thought about everything. Yeah, we can pop these pins out.
Is this the typical size hot tub you normally move, Drew?
I mean, it's about average, I guess.
Is considered
they get
big?
a little bit smaller than this, and then they also get way larger. They have swim spas that, you know, you're pretty much gonna need a crane every time for.
Wow. Is there any water still in this thing?
I guarantee it.
Yeah.
Is it because the drain is on the high side?
Well, because the pipe, there's pipes in there.
No, we put the dolly right here, so we got a little bit of a lip for it to drop off of. Now we'll place the dolly on the ground, flip it onto the dolly.
So what's the idea behind wrapping it up, Drew?
It's to protect it.
To protect it from like scratches and stuff?
Scratches, but it also gives it a little bit more support too.
Okay.
A little bit of a cushion.
You guys leave it wrapped up during transit too?
Correct.
He does a little bit more than other companies because he's used to moving
Antiques.
baby grands and all kinds of weird stuff, you know? So,
I like to pad the hell out of it. I'm dummy proofing it. The idea is to move it and get it over there in the same exact condition that it's in right now.
And this blanket is there because it's gonna go on the side where the dolly is?
yeah,
Correct.
it just works as a buffer between the dolly and...
Never do flat fees for like moving. When we do that, that's never gonna happen. For hot tub deliveries, there's enough questions I can ask to get a flat fee out of it. This is obviously the hardest part of a job, any job that we do. There's a lot of prep work. Like you said, where it's going, I don't even have to take it off the trailer. I take my trailer straight to where you want it, drop it down. It takes 10 minutes, if that. This is the only time I'll do flat fees though. Everyone wants a flat fee on a hot tub delivery.
All right, what do we got next, Drew?
Now's the fun part.
So line it up, brother.
When I saw you setting up this thing, Drew, you were putting pins in. Does this thing get bigger or smaller depending on the size of the hot tub?
Yeah, so I can adjust it, adjust the length of it.
Okay.
And get right up to the edge of it, parallel to the tub. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. So you get on the other side, pop that thing up. Now push it this way. Y'all ready?
Always.
Ready? Set, go. Easy, easy. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, flip it. Flip it, all the way. Flip, flip. Flip, flip. Easy. All right, keep your hands on it. Pick up and shimmy it over a little. Pick it up, shimmy it.
It moved.
It moved?
It moved.
Okay.
That's good.
How we sitting? We gotta go over just a hair more.
Which way?
Hey, keep your hands on, bro. You go one side at a time. All right, my turn. What we looking?
Looks like we gotta shimmy it over a little bit.
Too easy.
There it is.
You wanna make sure that thing is flat, buddy. We know when you're hooked up.
Give me some slack.
Okay, I will. Go. Pull, 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 pull. All right.
How we looking, Drew? So far, so good?
So far, so good.
What we doing here, Drew?
Just locking it down, keep it secure to the dolly so it stays on there.
So we're putting a strap over the long side and then a
Strap
over
over.
the wider side.
Need some more slack when you got it. Hey,
How we looking on that side?
hey, that's fine, man.
Yeah.
That's good.
Good.
Got ramps ready? Yeah.
Ramps over there.
All right. I want to have them down on the gravel somewhere on the right side. So it looks like it's going to be leaning a little bit. Nice and easy.
All right, we're moving this thing now.
Nice and breezy. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy. Give a little push, buddy. All right, all right.
Got a tight gap between the bush and the fence.
Swing out. Okay, now push towards the house. There you go. There you go. All right, all right. Keep going. Keep going. There you go, keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right,
Ooh, what a beauty.
come off straight. Coming off straight.
I can't imagine moving one of these things without these tools. Well, how else would you do it? All right, so what are we doing here, Drew?
We're gonna pretty much use these bars as forks, like a forklift.
Okay.
And we're gonna run it through the dolly. There's gonna be 2 slots for that. A little easier said than done. You gotta be good at driving.
Oh, so that
Pick up.
dolly on the floor has got slots for those
Yes.
two little forks?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Nice and easy. All right, buddy. Let's see where we at. You pretty much lined up with it, buddy. What we're gonna do is try to help him guide it through the slot of this thing. You see the slot?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna try to help him guide it. Hey, watch yourself. No, 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 no.
I want to see this. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So, all right,
Fork
sir.
and jump.
You got
Hey,
that pop.
1,000-pound tub.
Does that stay on, Drew?
What's that?
Does that stay on there?
What's that?
This little dolly while you're driving?
Yeah, so I take the wheels off of it and put the wheels into the trailer.
Okay. I'm gonna add that if you got a hot tub to move,
doing this on your own is probably not the best thing. It seems like you've got to have professionals do something like this. Wow, that's basically it right there. All right, we got Drew here with Big Beard Moves out of Houston. Aside from hot tubs, what kind of products do you move, Drew?
We specialize in a lot of antiques, 200-300-year-old French antiques, a lot of the furniture that a lot of people are afraid to put their hands on. But mainly we handle everything, safes, pianos. There's not much that we don't move.
So it's pretty much like a white glove service kind of thing?
Correct.
So something that somebody doesn't want to move on their own and they want it done right, they can contact you.
Correct.
So what areas do you service?
All over Houston, but we take jobs all over the country.
Okay. And where can people reach you?
You can either reach me on Facebook, Big Beard Moves, or you can reach me at 703-868-1926.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate it, Drew. Thanks for the good work today, and thanks for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you got any questions, you can reach out to Drew. He left his contact information. Or if you want to ask me a question about what happened today, go ahead and leave a comment and we can talk about it. I had a lot of fun today. I had a lot of questions in the beginning. They were all answered. Drew and his crew did an exceptional job. I had no idea it was this intricate to actually move a hot tub. But after seeing how heavy and big these things are, I can see why hiring a professional makes a big difference. This is something you don't want to do on your own. You can maybe move it with ropes and a flatbed, but a hot tub of this caliber, you want it done right. So I learned a lot today, and I hope you guys did too. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time. Peace.